The ceremony took place at Namalele Agricultural Referral Mechanization Center in Mwakiso District. The consignment that was procured by the International Fund for Agricultural Development, IFAD, at almost 46 billion Uganda shillings includes 12 pieces of earth-moving equipment, 284 tractors, 126 vehicles allotted to district local governments, and 1,061 motorcycles for sub-counties.
Of loss strategies plans. We have crop production manuals, handbooks, plans.
The president, who toured exhibitions showcasing different value-added agricultural products, encouraged local leaders in the country to share knowledge of modern agriculture with farmers in the villages. He stressed that for farmers to embrace modern technology, there must be a change in their attitude.
First, attitude change. Number two, tractorization instead of homogenization. Number three, fertilizers. Number four, irrigation. Number five, modern farming practices, like for instance making the contours.
He reiterated that farmers must be calculative and use fertilizers to increase productivity.
This is the problem you have in Uganda. You as leaders, especially the leaders, because the population, many of them know the traditional way. They don't know the modern way. But the leaders know or should know. And the commissioners in the ministry know how to do things in a modern way.
The president also launched the Farmers Register for purposes of recording all farmers at the village level in every parish. He was happy to note that it was a good plan which would help to track the progress made by farmers so that lazy and hardworking ones are easily found out. He also performed the ceremony of handing over agricultural toolkits to the permanent secretary of the Ministry of Local Government, to Archbishop John Baptist Odama of Gulu Archdiocese and Deputy Mufti of Uganda, Sheikh Muhammad Ali Waiswa, to help their respective communities further the fight against household poverty in their respective regions. The Minister of Agriculture and More Industry and Fisheries, Honorable Vincent Sempija, hailed President Museveni for being the chief mobilizer of teaching farmers how to get out of poverty.
That you mobilized the religious leaders to join you in this struggle of fighting poverty. And today we have two of that team here, and one of them is Sheikh Muhammad Waiswa, representing the Mufti of Uganda.
On his way from Namalele, the president made several stopovers in Kawanda Township and addressed wananchi, whom he encouraged to embrace modern methods of production to fight and banish household poverty. UBC TV, Harriet Nambi.